Welcome to my channel Flights Assistance. Lufthansa, 747 news and new Airbus order. Lufthansa is modernizing its fleet by ordering 22 new long-haul aircraft, including 10 Airbus A350-1000s, 5 A350-900s, and 7 Boeing 787-9s, aiming to enhance efficiency and reduce emissions. Concurrently, the airline is updating its Boeing 747-8 fleet with luxurious Allegri's first-class suites, featuring enclosed cabins and premium amenities to elevate the passenger experience. These initiatives underscore Lufthansa's commitment to innovation and sustainability in air travel. 1. Boeing 747-400. Reintroduction on Asian routes. In a strategic move, Lufthansa plans to reintroduce its Boeing 747-400 aircraft on select Asian routes. Starting March 29, 2026, the 747-400 will replace the Airbus A340-600 on the Frankfurt to Hong Kong route, offering increased capacity and efficiency. 2. Enhanced first-class experience with Allegri suites. Lufthansa is elevating its premium offerings by introducing the Allegri's first-class suites on its Airbus A350 aircraft. These suites feature fully enclosed spaces with options for couples or families and include amenities like temperature-controlled seating, personal wardrobes, and luxury skincare products. The airline plans to extend these suites to its Boeing 747-8 fleet, enhancing the passenger experience across long-haul flights. Latest news and breaking headlines. 3. Retrofit of Boeing 747-8i fleet with Allegris cabins. Lufthansa is set to retrofit its Boeing 747-8i fleet with the new Allegris cabins starting in 2025. This upgrade aims to provide a consistent and modern experience across its long-haul fleet, aligning with the airline's commitment to passenger comfort. And 4. Expansion of Airbus A350-1000 orders. The Lufthansa Group has increased its order of Airbus A350-1000 aircraft from 10 to 15, with deliveries scheduled between 2028 and 2030. This expansion underscores the airline's commitment to modernizing its fleet with fuel-efficient, long-haul aircraft. 5. Accelerated aircraft deliveries in 2025. To expedite its fleet modernization, Lufthansa plans to take delivery of a new aircraft approximately every 2 weeks throughout 2025. This aggressive schedule reflects the airline's dedication to enhancing operational efficiency and passenger experience. 6. Retirement of older aircraft models. As part of its modernization efforts, Lufthansa intends to retire older aircraft models, including the Airbus A340-600 and Boeing 747-400 by 2028. These retirements will make way for newer, more efficient aircraft like the Airbus A350 and Boeing 707X. 7. Consideration of cargo conversion for 747-400s. With the phasing out of the 747-400s from passenger service, Lufthansa is exploring the possibility of converting these aircraft for cargo operations, potentially extending their service life in a new capacity. 8. Challenges with aircraft delivery. Delays. Lufthansa faces challenges due to delays in aircraft deliveries, which have impacted its fleet renewal plans. These delays are attributed to supply chain issues and regulatory hurdles affecting manufacturers like Airbus and Boeing. 9. Introduction of Ultra First Class Suites. Lufthansa has unveiled Ultra First Class Suites on its Airbus A350 aircraft, featuring enclosed spaces with luxury amenities. These suites are part of the airline's strategy to offer a superior travel experience and will be extended to the Boeing 747-8 fleet. 10. Commitment to sustainability and efficiency. Through these fleet updates and service enhancements, Lufthansa demonstrates its commitment to sustainability, operational efficiency, and providing a premium passenger experience across its global network. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.